when it comes to mobile home packs, RV packs as investments, what makes them a preferred investment for investors?
Well, I think there's a few things. I think one, the CapEx is lower, which means that if you're going to hold a property over time, you have less really large expenses that arise that could cause issues with your cash management, say, right? So you have lower recurring CapEx, which over time leads to more take-home money or take-home cash flow. And the yields, as a result of that, and a result of just higher cap rates on average, you generally have better yields. For us, we generally have been able to pay out a preferred return within pretty reasonable time. If not from right out the gates, we've been able to pay it out very quickly, 7 to 8%, depending on the deal, and consistently, and having the ability to generate high cash flow for our investors in a world where it's not as easy to do that in a lot of other areas in the real estate world right now. I think goes a long way. And then you have the opportunity. Lastly, I'd say because of the nature of it, it's really it's a game of consolidation in some ways, right? We're able to improve the value of our individual assets through acquiring additional assets, because as we build an operating company and we build scale, then the portfolio that we have then becomes more inherently interesting to institutional investors and those of the like, because they can now write a bigger check and buy more in one swing. So that has a lot to do with it too, right? We're generally longer term holders, but we are all about value creation over the long run, and building the portfolio, I think, creates a ton of value.
Okay. Wow. So the value it brings to the table is you get better returns than most class assets right now. I think so. I think certainly better than a lot of traditional multifamily, but I use the word better cautiously, because everyone has a different definition of what that means and the risks that are associated with it. So it is higher yielding, and the upside can still be there too if you do it right.